Thank you, Saurabh. Well, I'll request everyone to basically switch on their cameras. Uh, this will give a look of a more interactive seminar. I mean, like I have said earlier also, it doesn't give you pleasure, talking to black boxes. So please do that. Well, thank you. Well, it's pleasure to join today at this webinar on transforming factories into preferred global sourcing partners. Well, at the very outset, I would like to welcome all of you, the speakers from Anatech Consultancy, industry members who have joined, manufacturers, and all other participants. Well, you know that apparel industry is currently passing through turbulent times. It is operating in an environment which is marked and characterized by intense global competition, rapid evolving consumer preferences, increasing sustainability expectations, and growing scrutiny of supply chain practices. Buyers today no longer evaluate supplier solely on the basis of price competitiveness. That you need to be very clear about. Sourcing decisions are increasingly more influenced by factors other than pricing, whether it be quality consistency, whether it could be, compliance of standards or your sustainability credentials or your operational efficiency or productivity or transparency or your agility in operations. So in such a dynamic environment, I believe it is absolutely necessary that Indian apparel manufacturers prepare themselves and continuously and constantly upgrade their systems, their processes, their capabilities to remain relevant and move abreast with times. It is important to be competitive in global value chain. Your ability to position a factory, you need to position a factory not merely as a manufacturer, as a manufacturer destination, but also as a trusted and preferred sourcing partner, because that will critically differentiate you in today's marketplace. Well, buyers across the world, they're actively looking for resilient, reliable, and responsible sourcing destinations. You know that we are living in times where ethical sourcing and responsible clothing are the norms. So these growing expectations from the international buyers basically present a significant opportunity, I would say, for the Indian apparel industry, because you should take it as an opportunity and start focusing on enhancing productivity, strengthening quality management system, adopt sustainability manufacturing practices, improving your workforce capabilities, embrace technology, use AI in your operations, use Industry 4.0 and everything. So today's webinar's theme, I believe, is quite relevant and timely. Building global competitiveness in factories is not only essential, but I think absolutely business imperative, I would say. And for ensuring long-term growth, resilience and sustainability of the apparel sector, it is necessary that you constantly keep on upgrading yourself, keep on improving your systems, stay ahead of the curve. So I'm pretty confident that today experts from the Anatech Consultancy will share the valuable insights with you, will share their practical strategies, how your operation excellence can be further improved, how you can benchmark yourself against the global best practices, and how you can align yourself with the expectation of the international buyers. So without much ado, I would like to invite them, and on behalf of AEPC, I once again extend a very warm welcome to the esteemed speakers of the Anatech Consulting, and I would request all participants to lend their ears to the experts and basically, benefit from the pulse, from the insights that they share. Thank you very much.